Hello Year 8s, this is the Gamelan sequencing task. You're actually going to be sequencing the parts exactly as I have done. The creativity will come when you then arrange your recorded parts into a structure to hopefully create a unique and interesting arrangement of the Barris dance. So, click on Show Attachment, download the sequencing task PDF which shows you the levels and the notation. And this is what this looks like. So this is the levels here, which tells you which order to do them. However, the notation is also ordered by level. So you just want to essentially create a new track, find this instrument, move the keyboard to this octave, and then record this part. Every part is 2 bars long. However, when you get to the level 7 and 8 parts, it's actually 1 bar part that just repeats, so you could record the level 7 and 8 parts once. Anyway, level 3, the Jegog Marimba. So this is the bass part, and the instrument is called the Jagog in Gamelan. So we want a bass part with 2 notes, C and F, and we can see this is semi-brief, so it's 4 notes on C, 4 notes on F. I want to find the marimba, put it on octave 2, and I'm going to play Z and then V. So you click on Start Assignment. This should say Start Assignment for you. As I'm the teacher, I need to open this here. So it gives me a track already. I'm going to go to Percussion and choose Marimba. Now, when I'm listening to this at home and on your headphones, this probably sounds fine, octave 2. Okay, but on my speakers in school here, it sounds a bit, basically the low pitches don't come through, so it just sounds really high. Okay, so for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to put it on octave 3. However, at home you should be able to hear the lower notes a bit better if you've got more bass in your speakers, or if you're using headphones they've got more bass. So leave it on octave 2. I'm going to put it on octave 3 just so it doesn't sound funny. So Z for 4 beats and V for 4 beats. The tempo you can slow down and speed up as you go along. For the purpose of this, I'm going to put it on 110 and leave it at 110. I want to make sure I've got my metronome on, and there should be a counting of 1 bar. So I hit record and then I play Z for 4 beats and then V for 4 beats. Okay, so if you just click on pitch here, you can see Z is C and V is F. Okay, here we go. Oh, before I do that, let's call this, I'm going to call it level 3. You can call it Jagog or bass part. I'm just going to label these in order that I'm doing them. Level 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is done. Double click as you always should. Highlight the notes and click quantize. Okay, that's gone a bit wrong. It should be there starting on 1 and starting on 2. You can lengthen the notes as well so they last. Okay, let's have a listen to that.